Hi everyone, this is Top 3D Shop, and in this video, you'll learn about the shining 3D EinScan H portable 3D scanner. The EinScan H is a hybrid device which utilizes two structured light sources, visible white LED and infrared. Designed by the China-based Shining 3D company, the scanner is a perfect tool for a plethora of general and special-purpose applications. The EinScan H can be used to preserve historic landmarks and masterpieces of art, as well as in forensics to analyze and archive physical evidence. Healthcare professionals can apply the 3D scanner in digital diagnostics, orthopedics, and plastic surgery, and also in prosthetics. The EinScan H proves itself useful in digital entertainment for game design and animation. It can also become indispensable for those working with virtual and augmented reality, as well as for engineers and designers involved in consumer goods customization. One of the key features of the 3D scanner, namely its hybrid structured light source, allows reducing the intensity of visible light emission, which makes rendering a human face more comfortable for the person being scanned. The infrared non-visible light, in turn, greatly improves capturing of hair and dark color objects. The EinScan H is equipped with a color camera which allows for full-color texture capturing. The scanning accuracy of the device depends on the mode and ranges from 5 to 6 hundredths of a millimeter, with a point distance from 25 hundredths to 3 millimeters. The volumetric accuracy stands within 1/10 of a millimeter per meter. The EinScan H operates with the scanning speed of 1,200,000 points per second in visible spectrum scanning, the speed being reduced to 720,000 points when using the infrared light. The aligned speed in both cases is 20 frames per second. The maximum scan volume and depth of field on the EinScan H also depend on the operating mode. In the standard mode, the scan volume is 420 by 440 millimeters, with the depth of field ranging from 200 to 700 millimeters. While in the face scan mode, the volume increases up to 780 by 900 millimeters with the depth of field from 200 to 1,500 millimeters. The EinScan H is a lightweight, easy-to-use device that weighs just over 700 grams. Its form factor is traditional for a handheld scanner. The top module of the device houses a block of control buttons with LED indicators showing the scan distance, and the power button is just below. A wired USB 3.0 connection is used for data transfer from the device to the computer. The EinScan H comes with the proprietary EXScan software, which lets the user configure and calibrate the 3D scanner, supports all the modes, and allows editing and converting the rendered models to the most common file formats: OBJ, STL, PLY, P3, 3MF. This is Top 3D Shop with the shining 3D EinScan H handheld 3D scanner overview. Subscribe to our channel, leave your comments below, and hit the like button if you've enjoyed the video. See you soon!